Okay, so I literally just got here. I'm about to go and get my hair done. I didn't even do anything to my hair. I literally just brushed it and like washed it yesterday, so it's like garbage, but I just got here. I have like a couple minutes before I need to go in. Here's my hair. I'm hoping to do something different this time, so I'll see what she says. I'm not sure what she thinks, but I'm hoping we can do it because I just want to do something a little bit different. I've gotten my hair done the exact same every time I've gone, and I just want to do something a little different. So I'm gonna get my hair done, but here's the before. This is what it's looking like. It's just really grown out. The last time I got it done was July, so I am definitely ready. My mom is actually gonna be driving Bronson over in like an hour or two, like whenever I'm done with my hair appointment, so that I could like spend the day with him, because I can't bring him to my appointment. He would go crazy. So I'm gonna have her like drive him to me here in a little while, so that I can just grab him and we can go do stuff. But just wanted to see what my hair looks like before I need to part it, I feel like. Okay. All right. Okay, I am finally done. My appointment was at 9. I have to sit really close to the steering wheel because my legs are super short, but oh, hold on. So I had to stop filming for a second because my mom was calling. I think I mentioned earlier, but I had her drop, super annoying. I had her drop Bronson off to me so that we could spend the day together. He's in the back seat. Also, every time I go to Target, there's like somebody outside playing a violin. Is that just here? Because I feel like it's every Target I go to here. There's always, it's just so weird. Like, it's 95 degrees outside. It's so hot. I need moisture on my lips, but I think I'm gonna go into this Target right here. I'm trying to talk loud because I don't want to get a copyright by the Ariana Grande violin. I don't know if that's even copyright, but this is so weird. I think I'm gonna go into this Target right here because I need coffee, and there's also a Hobby Lobby literally right next door, so I think we're gonna pop into Hobby Lobby and check out the fall stuff.
That panda store for me. That's so crazy. I can't go fishing.
Wow. Okay, whoa. All right, come on. So literally stopped me so that I could take a picture of him posed by the Target circle.
Free pictures? Yep.
Wow, okay.
Purple flowers and bushes.
That's very nice. Where are we going now?
Hobby Wobby first. And the last store is over is Hobby Wobby.
Hobby
Halloween.
Hobby Wobby. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. For dinner.
It's for dinner.
I'm holding a pumpkin.
Sitting on the steering wheel right in front of the AC. It's super hot. You can probably hear the AC super loud. Sorry, but we literally just left Hobby Lobby. I got some stuff, so I'll probably show you guys what I got when I get home, because I have to go pick up my husband from work now and it's super hot and I'm just dying. But I'll probably show you guys what I got. I just got a couple things. I was hoping to really see like the fall stuff, because everywhere online people are saying that Hobby Lobby like has most of their fall stuff out, but they didn't really have anything except a couple things, so that's a little disappointing. But they did have a couple things. I think I'm gonna redo my dining room, my dining table area a little bit, so I'll show you guys that. And I think I have a couple other like little home project things going on this weekend, so I'll probably be filming that so you can see. But yeah, we're all done shopping, so we're gonna head home. So here's what I got from Hobby Lobby. I just picked up this table runner because I thought it was really cute and would match with my decor. I also got some oven mitts because I really needed some new ones. Super cute. And then I also got this little sign I thought was cute for Bronson's bathroom. And then these picture frames, or like framed pictures, I picked up to put in the dining room. And then I got one more picture for Bronson's bathroom that I'm kind of redoing as well. But also here is the decor that I have going on in the dining room right now. Okay, so here is the the wall in the dining room that we're gonna do the squares on. This wall looks terrible. We had Bronson's birthday in here, and we used the little like sticky stuff to hang up his decorations, and it left stuff all over the wall. And then we had like tape and stuff to hold up the balloons that left marks on the wall. And we had a bunch of paint left over from when the house was renovated that was all like downstairs. So I went to go use the paint, and if you can tell, it's not the same color as the wall. And we have no idea what color this wall color is. So I went and got a bunch of paint samples, matched them up to the wall, tried to figure out what it was, found the closest ones, and you can still see it's not the same color. So I'm just gonna paint this whole wall white because I have no idea. So for touching up the rest of the wall color, I don't know what I'm gonna do because I can't figure out what paint color the wall is supposed to be. But this is what it looks like right now. Just cleaned out the stuff we had on the floor and the table and everything. Got this little saw so that I can cut the boards, and this was like $10, and it has the little like measurements on here so you could like, or angles, or I don't know what the hell you call it, but isn't this cute for 10 bucks? Because I forgot. I didn't clean the counters off completely, but just wanted to get it started. So it's super dark in here. It's like raining outside a ton, but I'm gonna work on the backsplash some more. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm using. I got this from Target. It's just a peel and stick removable wallpaper. I don't have the time or energy or anything really just to do actual backsplash, so I'm just gonna put up this wallpaper for now. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It's really cute. It looks like tile. This paper is one that I cut wrong, so I'm not using this, but it has like a nice kind of like metallic shine to it, and it just looks like tile. My husband thought it was supposed to go like this, but it looks really, I don't know, it reminds me of like a honeycomb or like a wasp nest or something like that, but it's supposed to go vertical. I don't know if you can see, it's so dark in the picture. They have it vertical in like a kitchen as like backsplash slash just full wallpaper. So definitely supposed to be vertical, but I really like how it's looking so far, so I'm gonna work on this a little bit more and see how it looks when I'm all done.